More? Okay. More. Great. Okay, let's all done with those for now. How do you say milk? Show me milk. How do you say milk, Madeline? Milk? Yeah, that's milk. How about food? You want to eat? Oh, yeah, good job. Do you want more of these? How do you say more? Yeah, good job.
Where's your cup?
Her cup? Well, that doesn't show me doing the signal.
Well, here, I can zoom out.
Alright,
Do the,
Okay. Madeline, see? Take a drink. Yeah, good job.